Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the HP Pavilion gaming laptop that comes with a 9th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and a 15.6-inch FHD display. Very standard packaging, as you can see. Let's take a quick look at the box itself so that in case we don't miss out any added information. Alright, this is 13.62 centimeter laptop, 15.6-inch display basically. Not much here. Let's look at this side. Obviously you can see the Intel Inside branding over here, and the fact that this particular laptop comes with Microsoft Office Home and Student versions pre-installed along with Windows 10. So that's a great addition. Let's take a look on this side as well. We do have some information over here, like the fact that this, like I said earlier, this particular laptop has a 9th generation Intel Core i7-9750H processor inbuilt, which has a base speed of 2.6 gigahertz. There's also a 256 GB solid state drive along with a 1 terabyte hard drive. Once again, very substantial. As I mentioned earlier, Windows 10 is pre-installed, and the laptop has an 8 GB DDR4 RAM as well. Along with that, there's also NVIDIA GTX graphics card, as expected. Now let's take a look inside very quickly. This box, unfortunately, is already open, so let's completely ignore that fact. Let's pull this one out. Okay, it came out very shoddily for some reason. This turns out there's not much outside this charging cable. Let's keep it here. And of course, a charging adapter by HP. We'll keep this one here as well. Let's keep the box aside. And there you have it. This is what the laptop looks like. Okay, we have something. Okay, we have a screen. We have a cloth that protects the keyboard, I feel. I mean, what other purpose could you have a cloth over here? Either protect the screen or the keyboard. And let's keep this on here for a while. The solidly built laptop, around 2 kilos, 2.2 kilos weight, I think. Not as much as 2.5. Okay, not as heavy as some of the other gaming laptops out in the market, but definitely quite heavy. Not very heavy, but quite heavy indeed. Is smaller compared to some of the other gaming laptops, but is quite chunky and has a beautiful design to it. Great aesthetics, great finish, no doubt. The Pavilion logo is visible right over here. I don't know if you can see it. It's not that visible, but anyway, Pavilion logo right here, HP logo right here. Let's take a look at the sides very quickly. We have a couple of USB ports over here. Sorry, one USB port, HDMI port, and a USB-C port, and a port for your SD and an SD card reader. Actually, very nifty addition. 2 more USB ports here, port for your charger, and there's a port for your headphone. I guess this is what your ventilation looks like. The ventilation for this particular laptop looks like. Looks very space age, very sci-fi. I mean, this is built for a gamer, that's for sure. Let's open this one up very quickly. Okay, this is a beautiful looking laptop right here. This is a speaker. I don't know if you can see it, but this has a very nice texture on it. This hexagonal design going on over here, which is very cool to look at. And it also has a this is not a plain surface. That's what I'm trying to tell you. This has some couple of undulation, which also feels really good when you lay your fingers through it. What else? What other information do we have? This particular display screen has a refresh rate of 144 Hertz, standard for most gamers. Actually, gamers like this particular range of refresh rate. This obviously runs on the Core i7 9th generation chipset, as mentioned earlier, and it has a GeForce GTX graphics card. And once again, Have I missed anything? The Pavilion logo over here. This is how you start up over here. HP logo, etc., etc. 1 second. And that is it. That is all you will find inside the box containing the HP Pavilion gaming laptop with 15.6-inch FHD display. Thank you for watching.